In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Hostinger on a monthly basis. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently manage your web hosting payments on a month-to-month basis, which is perfect if you prefer not to commit to a long-term plan right away. Let's dive into the steps together and ensure everything is clear so you can manage your hosting without a hitch. First, you'll want to navigate to Hostinger's website, which is the starting point for bringing your ideas online with ease. This platform is not only user-friendly, but also equipped with a variety of features to support your web development needs. Once there, look for the login button, which is usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will initiate your access to your Hostinger account, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Ensure your details are correct so you don't run into any issues signing in. Upon entering your dashboard, you'll be directed to the Home section. This area is your control center on Hostinger, where you can manage your account settings and access various services they offer. It's clean and well organized, making navigation quite intuitive. From here, locate the Marketplace option. The Marketplace is where Hostinger showcases a selection of plans and services tailored to fit different needs and budgets. You'll want to explore these options to find the one that best suits your project. Once you're in the Marketplace, find the Explore Plans section. Here, Hostinger provides detailed information about their hosting plans, breaking down what you'll receive with each option. Reading through this can give you a better idea of what you might need for your website. Hover through the options, and when you find the one that aligns with your preferences, simply click on Select. This begins the process of customizing your hosting choice. Next, you'll see a duration selection area. For monthly payments, you'll want to click on 1 month. This option sets your billing cycle to monthly, allowing you the flexibility to manage payments without being locked into a long-term commitment. It can be a great way to trial how Hostinger's services fit your needs over short periods without a hefty upfront cost, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your Hostinger hosting for monthly payments. Now you can manage your site with the assurance that your billing is both simple and predictable. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Remember, if you run into any issues or have any questions, Hostinger's customer support is just a click away. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting with Hostinger.